Today we're making toaster tacos. The reason why I said toaster is because we're gonna toast the tortillas in the toaster instead of bake them. If you want to cook with me, go get your stuff and remember to wash your hands. If you're using anything hot or sharp, go get an adult. They like to feel important. First, you take the strainer and then open the can of beans, and then so you take the strainer over to the sink, open the can of beans, strain the beans in the strainer, and then wash the beans, and then bring them back. Okay, I'm done washing them. Take your medium-sized bowl and dump the beans into the bowl. Set your strainer on the side. Then set your beans to the side too. Now take your pepper and you're gonna cut your pepper with your knife. And do it all the way around. Okay, done with the pepper. See how it's all cut? Then set the pepper to the side, and then pick a piece of pepper and you're gonna cut it so it's in tiny pieces. First, cut it in straight lines like these, and then put them all together, turn it, and then cut it sideways so it's in tiny pieces like this. Okay, done with one pair. Then you keep on doing that until all of the pepper spots are ready, cut into tiny pieces. Keep on cutting until the whole entire pepper is into little pieces. Okay, the peppers are done. Just leave them on your cutting board. And then we are going to take some tortillas, put them in the toaster. Make sure that they don't fall, okay? Because if they do, you'll have to go bring the toaster over to the trash and dump it so it falls out. Turn the level to 3. And then push them down and let them toast. And then you can do that. While they're toasting, you can take out the beans and maybe season them a little bit, put some paprika, just a pinch, just a little bit of paprika and cumin on the beans. Okay, once you have that, you can like stir it with your knife, or you can stir it with your spoon. And then it makes the beans more fun and yummy. Perfect. Okay, my beans are ready. Whenever they are done toasting, you can pull them up. And yeah, but they're not gonna be done toasting. Mine are done toasting. It might look like a little bit cracky, but that's all right. Bring your plate over onto the cutting board and put one of them down. You can put some spinach into your tacos, and then some beans, and then just some peppers on top. Close it up. You got your taco there. I think I filled that one too much. Let me try again. Keep your plate here. Put another one. This time I'm just gonna put a little bit of spinach, like 3 leaves, instead of a lot. Then I'm just gonna put some beans and not like 2 handfuls, scoopfuls. Then just some peppers. Okay, that's more like it. Done. Do you want to learn how to make healthy foods without a grown-up? I'm Cora and I can teach you.